What you are about to watch is a rare case where a passenger purposefully spilled his cup inside of an Uber car. What would you do in this situation?
Hello, for Jenny?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. Hello. I'm good. And I cannot do the open container, so if you can either drink it or the discard of it. Thank you, sir. Oh. Okay, you just spilled alcohol on my car.
Would you like us to leave?
Yes.
You got a zero.
You can't rate me, actually. You're gonna get charged for this.
No, we're not going to get charged for this.
Yes, he spilled
There's
he spilled
nothing in
alcohol
there.
on. He threw
There-
alcohol on
There
my
was
front
nothing in his
seat.
cup.
He threw alcohol on my front seat.
I emptied my cup and I threw it at you because
Yeah,
I was
you
pissed
threw
off.
it at me because. Okay, well, it's the fucking law, so
Stop.
Well, fuck yourself.
you're fucking stupid.